I do it fast only if I take it slow. From the beginning, this is my goal. No matter the time, I'll learn it by night, or I'll fail.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know my voice sounds crazy right now, but I'm fighting a cold right now. That my throat it's not there, but I'm trying my best I can kind of hear my voice now. But yeah, I don't know what's been happening for the past 2 days. I haven't been feeling well, but it's okay. I have been doing a lot of editing and stuff, so these past 2 days, plus with this cold, like it's been hard. It's been hard. And I've had to set back like organizing my office. It's bad. It is really bad. So I finally want to get done with this office with organizing. I need to build the drawers that I bought so I could put inside there and organize everything. I also need to clean up this room because there's so many things everywhere. Again, I've been rotting away in this office other than my bedroom downstairs, and it's been quite a few days, but whatever. I feel okay, but I like what's motivating me is to clean up everything. I'm so tired of seeing this messy room. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna start off first by just picking up everything and putting everything back in its place, and then I'm gonna start to build the drawers, and then we're gonna start organizing everything inside the closet. While I organize and clean, I'm putting on The Parent Trap because it's like a good feel-good movie, and especially summer is ending very, very soon on September 25th, I think it is. I don't know, I feel like it's a good movie to end on for the summer, and so I'm gonna use that also as like a timer to clean up everything that I have to do. I really want to get to building, so I'm gonna put on the movie and let's get started on cleaning. So this is the current state in my room right now, and like always, I did not expect sorry. I did not expect for it to become this huge of a thing, and I'm like now looking at it and I'm like, am I regretting this now? But here inside the closet, it's almost clear. The only things I have left are those basically this corner I have a lot of like workout stuff. So I'm not going to take that out because I do have some dumbbells in there and I don't feel like moving that out. I'm going to organize everything in piles. These are all clothes that I need to take downstairs. And basically I need to build the drawers so I can know how much space I have for that box. I mean for that bin, which has a lot of like which has a lot of recording stuff that I use and stuff like that. And then I have that box which has a lot of ears, and then some socks and a few accessories for Disney. And again, you're seeing here a whole bunch of like bags and stuff. So I need to organize all of this, and yeah, let's see how this organization goes. The drawer dresser is done. I'm so happy. So now I'm gonna go take that into the closet and start organizing and clearing up everything here because I'm so tired of seeing the mess. Hey guys, I wanted to interrupt real quick because I wanted to show you my ThredUp haul. And no, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I've just been a member for so many years and I really wanted to show you all the things that I got. I picked out a few Levi's pieces like this skirt. I've been wanting a denim skirt and I love this skirt so much. And I'm going to leave the prices and everything for you on the side. Here's another Levi's skirt. This is a longer version and I again have been looking for a long skirt like this, a jean skirt. And I really love the fit. I love how it looks. Now I picked up a skinny jeans and this one is a darker color. I love, love, love the color to it. It is a very, very dark blue color to it. It fits nice and snug. And this is going to be perfect for those cold days where I want to put a boot over my pants. And next I have another pair of jeans that I picked up and these have a little bit of a rip in the front, as you can see over at the knee section. And I again love these so much. I'm a size 6 for reference for you guys. I mean a size 26. And I also wanted to show you a few tanks that I picked up. These are from Shein. These are in a size small. This is a beautiful green and this one's like a beautiful salmon beige color to it. And then for last, I wanted to show you this really pretty express like blouse that I found that I really, really love the color to it. I ordered a few bags on ThredUp to clean out my closet and I can get cash or credit for the items that I sell with them. So I will definitely show you guys all of that in another video, but I did want to show you my haul, so check out thredup.com. Let's get back to the video. All right, so the dresser is in here. Unfortunately, this does not fit. Sorry, my voice keeps my voice keeps going away. I'm starting to cough a little more now, so I'm like, ugh. But this doesn't fit facing forward, but it does fit facing to the side. So I'm thinking about, I have so I have those things that I normally put like towards the back hidden. What I can do is put those two things hidden here on the side. I'll leave this like this and I can just put stuff. Or maybe moving these big sweaters over on this side and the shorter stuff on that side instead. I mean, it kind of makes sense too because, you know, it might get starting cold soon. Well, not really, but, you know, eventually I'm going to start using that. And then I can actually maybe put this over there and then move that over here. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to see how I'm going to fix all this. Guys, this is how everything is looking. I'm actually quite happy how everything is now organized. I have all of my ears, some of my bucket hats in here. I also have a few of my other hats that I wear to Disney in here and some accessories. This one I have some socks and some costumes in there. And then here I have a lot of my fanny packs and some of my crossbody bags. And then put that in there. And then over here I have like just miscellaneous stuff that I usually take to the parks. Like all these things that I take. So I'm just going to leave this as like park stuff. And then over here I have all of my electronics. Here I have some of my some of the stuff that I use to work out, and I have my dumbbells here in the corner and my shoes over here. I'm not mad. I'm kind of bummed out that this did not fit in here, but it's totally okay. So I'm pretty much gonna finish off here. This is what I'm gonna do so far for this closet because there's honestly nothing else I can do. The other stuff that I wanted to like fix up, the purses and stuff like that, I did not have time to do that, so we'll leave that for another time. But as of now, everything in my closet feels organized. I'm happy with, So we'll leave it like that. And right now, my office is a little bit messy. As you can see, there's like stuff around, but it's just moving that out, moving that other container out, and all the other containers, which I'm going to put in our spare closet in my husband's office, and just basically cleaning up everything that's here. And I'm pretty much done. Hi, Sunday. Hi, Sunday. Hi, Sunday. Hi, baby girl. But yeah, so that's pretty much it that I'm gonna do over here. So I'm gonna close out this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching me organize. I'm starting to feel that, like that time of day where you just start feeling like you're just crashing. And so my throat is hurting, starting to hurt a little bit more now. So I prefer to just like rest for the rest of the afternoon and night. And yeah. So make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified on my next videos. I put out videos every Wednesday, so don't miss out on that. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.
Day after day